Stop, man. Stop. Stop right there.
With the mic on the bike.
He's fleeing.
Seriously, what the fuck, dude? Seriously, fuck, what the fuck, man? I didn't fucking do this. Why'd you do that? What the fuck?
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Stop me, huh? I didn't fucking do anything.
Hands behind your back.
Get on. You fucking hit me with the car, bro.
What's your throw right there?
I didn't do anything. The fuck, dude? Huh? I need to get my fucking leg, bro.
Sit still.
I can't.
What'd you throw?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't throw something right there?
No, man.
Yeah, you did.
The fuck? I mean, why the fuck do you
Get
stop
up.
anyway?
Get up.
No, why just stop me? I
I
ain't doing
stopped you
that.
because you were laying on the ground.
I
over
wasn't
there.
laying on the ground,
Okay,
bro.
get up.
I literally picked my backpack up. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Spread your feet.
What the fuck, man? Seriously, bro.
Where you
What?
coming from?
I'm going to my house, bro.
Where you coming from?
I was at a friend's house, man.
Where's that?
Down in the W section.
Woodhall?
Maybe. They're all freaking out over there, bro. I ain't fucking do nothing wrong, bro. I'm laying on the ground.
Okay.
It's fucking crazy, bro. They just fucking hit me with the car, bro. It's fucking insane. I have to put my foot down, dude. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not trying to run. Like, I just want to fucking go home, man. Like, what the fuck? Mike. Like that. What's German, man? Why you just fucking hit me with the car, man?
I asked you to stop. You
I
told me.
know, but I don't have to stop.
Where'd the handgun?